We will guide you through how to make calendar in Miro board. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, turn on your computer and connect to a stable internet connection before starting the process. Open your preferred web browser and visit the Miro website. Sign into your Miro account using your preferred login method. Then wait for the Miro dashboard or workspace to load completely. Open the Miro board where you want to create your calendar. Wait for the selected board to load fully so that all tools and existing content are ready to use. Click the Templates option on the Miro toolbar to access the available templates. Browse or search for a calendar template using the template library or search field. Select the calendar template that best matches your needs, considering the layout and information you want to organize. Add the calendar template to your Miro board and wait for it to appear properly on the canvas. Add meetings, deadlines, or reminders to the appropriate dates. Enter each activity clearly so you can easily understand your schedule when reviewing the calendar later. Use sticky notes, text, or shapes to organize your scheduled activities. Choose the elements that make important information easy to identify. Adjust the size and position of the calendar so it fits neatly on the canvas. Drag the calendar to a suitable location if necessary, making sure it does not overlap other important board content. Review every date and event to make sure all the information is accurate and up to date. Make sure each event appears on the correct date and that the calendar remains easy to read. Finally, confirm that your calendar is saved and displayed correctly on the Miro board. Check that the template, events, reminders, and other details visible and properly positioned.